Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the pattern we have here, and this is a pattern that I want to make very clear here. I'm not trying to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part or that I have some sort of skill to have recognized this pattern. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of this pattern, and that's important. I make all those comments because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call that a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's exactly what we have here with this current pattern. And the premise of the pattern is that, yeah, there is definitely some selling pressure out there right now. I get it, just saying selling pressure is one thing, but that's why I love charts. They allow you to take words and phrases and make them visual. So when I say selling pressure, that's what I mean by that red line right there. That red downtrending line is representing the selling pressure that is very clearly in the stock right now. And that is also the resistance portion of the pattern. But the level that shorts and longs and everybody in between is going to be watching, and rightfully so, very curious about, is right here at 91.25. I mean, look at the history of 91.25. Held, got close to it, but close enough, held, bounced off of it today. So while nothing is guaranteed, my core point here is this: it is more than valid. It's more than a rational thought to have that if the price does come down to 91.25 and then continues on down, that break in and of itself could very well create a whole lot of downside selling pressure. Not guaranteed to happen, but by no means is that some sort of random spot on the chart. A lot of people are going to be caring about 91.25, and this is what would be known as a descending triangle pattern. So if you want to just have things in summary, AMD 30-minute descending triangle pattern, and that key part of the pattern is that 91.25 mark. So let's see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.